Agent owned. Open house May 26, 11-1 p.m. Showings to start Saturday, May 26 at 11 a.m. You will love the new landscaping, May 2018, and cozy front porch as you walk up to this move-in ready home. Inside features new laminate flooring, May 2018, throughout most of the main level, an open living room, eating area, west vaulted ceilings and plant shelf. The kitchen features lots of cabinet space, a sliding door out to the large deck and nice-sized fenced-in yard. The main floor laundry is off the kitchen. The master suite has a full bath and walk-in closet. There are 2 more beds on the other side of the house and a full guest bath. The lower level features a family room, rec room, full bath, and bonus room currently being used as a bedroom. There is still plenty of storage space in the basement. The 2-car garage has attached shelving and attic space above. Enjoy the easy access to the walking path in close proximity to Lakeview Park.